So today I've really got my work cut out. I'm meeting one of the biggest names in e-biking right now. The guy's a legend. He's landed world's first such as the tail whip, 360, flip no-hander, the list is endless. Sam Pilgrim.
Hey!
Beat that, Pilgs?
No way! Like, honestly, I never thought these sort of things would be possible on an e-bike.
Bar spin that first little tabletop.
It's tiny though.
Yeah, but a bit of a hop. You reckon you got it?
I actually don't, but you go first then.
To show you? Let's do it.
Oh my god! That was so close to...
That was like a bar spin lander then. And I hit my dropper, so my dropper went up. Let's see it then.
Oh, I hate this game.
Ah.
I caught the bar like on the stem.
So how about manuals? What you like at manualing that thing?
I'm actually not that good. And I know you are annoyingly good at it.
I've seen you do some pretty good manuals on it, so you've probably got this.
Yes! Oh yeah, well good, man. Rubbish.
So we're in the woods. This is proper mountain biking now. Big hill climb in front, tech route sections. This ain't no skate park. You ready for this?
Looks easy. Shall I follow you up or what?
Yeah, try and follow me up. Oh,
oh. I tried to overtake. How can that old guy's legs be better than mine? Right, this time I'm going first. Ah!
Oh. It's easy.
Oh.
It's hard, isn't it, with all those roots and stuff?
Chris won. We've come across what is more my forte now. There is a pile of dirt, and that is what I'm familiar with. So we're going to do some tricks on here now. Best tricks win. We get 3 jumps. Best tricks win. How about that? That's way more exciting, isn't it? And all this stupid manualing and hill climbing rubbish. Let's climb a hill. No, let's flip some dirt.
Beat that, Pilgs. See what you got. Not bad, not bad. Just need to straighten that.
Massive! Huh?
Straighten that back out a little bit more. But
right, Chris, that was actually unfair because I haven't hit the jump yet. So I'm going to show Chris a trick. Hey! That hurt my neck, I went so big.
Oh. Nice!
That is actually the best feeling ever. Like, honestly, I never thought these sort of things would be possible on an e-bike. Oh, that was actually really sick. The viewers can vote, but I'm going to take the win.
You got this on this, Pilgs. Never going to beat you with the dirt jumps, but that was good to see. Some pretty impressive stuff on that.
Nice, nice trick smash.
The 3 and flip no-hander. Don't get much better than that, so let's move on. Tell you what, see that thing on your right hand? What is it, a front brake?
Don't know.
What tricks you got with that then?
I can go over the handlebars usually.
Let's try a backwards nose roll down the landing. Or a 360 nose roll. Come on, let's get tech.
You set one of these horrible things and I'll try it.
Okay, right, let's get a run up for this one then.
I'm going to sit over here so you can see my reactions of fear that I have to do it.
Nearly into the tree.
That was really cool actually.
Apart from nearly getting in the handlebar.
What do I do then?
So you basically go in, big handful of front brake, you'll go pretty much over the handlebars, then let that wheel go backwards and then feather it like a manual like you do forwards. But go
Sounds like the worst idea I've ever heard of. Oh, that almost went then.
Oh, yes.
Oh my God, it's way easier on this.
That was the best one I've ever seen you do.
Like honestly, we've actually had a session before, but on normal bikes, and I died.
Yeah, you crashed so many times, but that was like the best one ever.
Insane. You've seen huge manuals, massive tricks, but where has the style been? Because I certainly haven't got any, but I've seen Chris busting out some huge shapes on that hip there. So what we're gonna do is a hip off, and you guys are then gonna decide who is the winner of the whole game in the poll on the top of the screen.
That's it. Let's do it. It's been a hell of a day battling you on the e-bikes today. We've done literally every discipline. We've gone big, we've done tricks, we've done hill climbs. Don't know what's, what was left.
Yeah, well, I mean, we tried hill climbs and you tried some tricks. So basically what's left for you viewers to do is to leave in the comments who has won this challenge. And if you want to see me smashing Blake Sampson to pieces in the last e-bike challenge, you should click here. And remember to hit the like button and subscribe obviously here, because that'd be awesome. See you later, guys.
Cheers.